and today I'm back with a brand new product for review. And in today's video we are going to review another craft glue for kids that is from the company Camel. So Camel has come out with the white glue, and which is an amazing glue here, and this is for craft, for kids to use it for craft and stuff. So it's from the brand Camel, which is known for stationery and their craft material. So today we are going to review this brand. So starting off with the packaging, it comes packaged in the small bottle here, tube bottle. Right here we can see the Camlin branding right on top. Near product is white glue, it's a white glue right here. Strong bond, 25 grams is the net weight of it. And they're shown Pokemon here. They have an illustration of the Pokemon characters right here on their packaging. Camlin is a product of Tokyo, Japan. It's a non-toxic, child-safe, so it's a non-toxic, child-safe glue. Net quantity 25 grams, like I told you all. It's a white glue, and the M.R.P is the same as ₹10. Moving on, what other information do we have here? That's it. Like all addresses and website is given here. That's all the information on this. So let's go ahead. It comes with a twist to open cap right here, and the glue is inside. It's a white color glue. You can see this. This is a white color glue that is there. That comes. So if you want to remove the glue, you just need to press the bottle a little, and the glue comes out. So that's how easy it is to use. Always after using it, make sure to put the cap back on so that the tip doesn't get dried out, right? Once the tip gets dried out, then it will be difficult for you to remove the glue. So always make sure that you put the cap back on. Overall glue quality, let's go ahead and test the glue quality right now. So I'm just going to take some cardboard right here. We're going to just tear it into two. And we are just going to stick this together to see the strong bond that it creates. The strong bond is something that is very important in craft. It has to be bonded strongly. So let's go ahead and do that. So this is the gum. I'm going to take one part of the cardboard, and on the flat surface of it, we are going to apply this gum glue from Camel right here. So I'm just going to take a bit of the glue, just going to apply it here, and on top of it, I'm going to apply the other part of the cardboard. Let's just press it together and leave it there for some time to dry. So you can see this, it has actually stuck really quickly, and really nicely stuck here. It is actually having a good bond here, strong bond, like mentioned on it. It doesn't actually leave easily. So until I pull it apart, and definitely after drying, the bond will be much stronger. But right now, it can take even 5 to 10 seconds for it to get glued to it. So that is very nice and effective. And it's an amazing glue. I really liked it. I feel it's better than Fevicol right now from what I have used it. But definitely, like, it comes at the same price, the same quantity, and it's also available online on Amazon. So if you guys are looking to buy it online, it's available on Amazon. I've left a link in the description below, and you can purchase it from there. Guys, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.